Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Monday, the 3rd of March. I'm going to put this video out there for free. I hope it helps you guys. If you want to join us, I'll put a link in the description below. Let's talk about what's going on here. We had a big bounce Friday. It felt like a little bit of a dead cat bounce. We talked about that. I wasn't sure where we go. I thought we'd get a little follow through today, and we did technically. We gapped up a bit, but the high of the day on the S&P 500 came on the opening 5-minute candle. We just missed the 50% retracement from the highs to the lows and right into the 50-day, and we got rejected there on the SPY. And if you're looking at this daily candle, this is ugly. We have engulfed Friday's candle, completely engulfed it, went below it. We're now below a 5% pullback. So what's going on and what really started selling us off here? We were kind of weak all day, but it was then Trump at its press conference, and the market didn't want to hear the tariffs right now, right? So this time it threw a fit. It hasn't really thrown a fit when he's done it before. This time it threw a fit. You can see volume has increased here, right? Look at the volume coming in. So, we'll see. We're down here into the 581, and now you got to start looking at levels. Levels here, right? We've broken below, and this gap is long gone. So the next area to watch, there's a little bit of support here, micro support around 578.50. Then 575.35 is the lows from back in January. 200-day is looming down here at 570.84. The market is showing there's problems here. There's problems. The market's unhappy. And so it's time to be extra careful. Um, we're popping up. We're not that oversold. The SPY is negative 76. We're looking for like negative 200, negative 300 area. The Qs are barely negative 200. We're just not getting that. Let's go looking around at everything else. The Qs are getting, let's start with the VIX. The VIX, big push up here today, out of the Bollinger Bands, back over 20, another false flag, right? We've had two fake head fakes on the VIX closing aside the Bollinger Bands, one on Wednesday and one on Friday. And neither one of them worked, and here we are, new highs, and the VIX is starting to show some fear. HYG, which had closed strong on Friday, got absolutely destroyed. We gapped up, it gapped down, not wanting to see that. The dollar getting crushed today, which is good. Uh, bonds is continue to push higher. This is a flight to safety going on here. IWM completely destroyed long ago in Gulf Friday's candle. The Qs getting hit, engulfing Friday's candle as well, 200-day close there. The Dow continues to hold in better, but it also engulfed Friday's candle. The banks put a new all-time high today. You have big reversals here on the banks at this point. So there's a lot of concern out there. The other thing was crypto. After that signing yesterday of the executive order by Trump to create a crypto reserve, which, by the way, we got to see what the details of it and if Congress will fund it. I'm sure they will, but how much? We reversed and basically gave almost the entire move back today. Hood, which was so strong earlier, not even reversed, completely engulfed Friday's candle. Coin Coin, not quite there. MSTR back under as well. So, not good stuff there. The SMH, as we talked about, how weaker they were compared to the markets on Friday in the room this morning. This is a hideous candle. Right? NVIDIA, which was the strong bounce on Friday, completely rolled over, took out the low, took this 1-year uptrend out. So there's problems here, guys, and I'm not trying to say that there's problems. You got to now wait for the market to say it wants to be bought. You got to be careful here. The market's very unhappy. We got earnings from Target tomorrow. We'll get another look at the consumer and Best Buy as well. But Nvidia breaking down, Microsoft completely. Microsoft, we talked about breaking down, coming up now on a 52-week low. Amazon going for that 200-day. Google can't even get back to the 200-day on a bounce. Apple, which had been very nice and strong, coming back down, but holding in better than the markets by far. Meta back to the 50-day. Help me out, guys. Let's take a look. Baba back down here. Palantir, which had flow today and tried to bounce early, couldn't hold it. And you got Tesla's absolutely getting just rocked here. Still above Friday's high, back on the 200-day. Tesla to me, again, still feels vulnerable. I made money shorting today, lost it a little trying to long it today. But 275.82 is a big gap, and boy, am I looking for that gap because if this market pukes, my guess is this gap's going to fill. That gap will come all the way down towards that 251 area. and that would complete the mountain trade on this. So a lot going on out here right now and a lot of moving parts. And the thing to do here is keep a level head, start buying. I did nibble on a little bit more IBIT today. I still have a very small position there. And at this point, I'm waiting for the market to give some type of reversal or clear signal because right now, this market feels extremely vulnerable. So with that said, I wish you all well. Link in description if you want to join us. And if you're a member and you need to talk, please reach out. That's why I'm here. We'll talk to you and happy to help out. Everybody have a good one and catch you guys bright and early in the AM.